Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gail and today I have for you a Happy Meal unboxing. I did a swap with Supreme Glitter Queen on Instagram, Haley, and this is our first time swapping. And I just wanted to be able to do a video because I'm super excited. And I'm hoping to stay in frame, but basically I'm going to have to film the whole video and then see if I'm in frame. Because I don't want to stand up for this, and obviously if you hear noises and see things, it's Claude. Being my little bambino boy, he's very, he's trying to help, I guess, that's what I'm going to say. He's helpful. Very, very helpful. If you see my hands and they're all scratched up, this is why. It's because of baby Claude. Little baby Claude. Okay, I don't want to show anyone's address, obviously. Okay, I don't want to tear anything, obviously. I could get Claude to come bite it open because he'd probably be great at just shredding the heck out of this, but I didn't want to open it until I could make a video, and I'm going to see if I'm in frame right now. I'm not very much in frame. Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay, now I know I'm not going to damage anything. I'm just going to pull it all out. Oh my gosh. Okay. Lots of good spookiness. Oh, I love her, what do you call this? Crinkle paper. I haven't seen it with the green and yellow. That's super cute. Mixed. Who couldn't use some Kit Kats? And, oh, cute. I love this ribbon trim. I'll be able to reuse that, obviously. So we have a little loaded bag here. Oh my gosh, it's full of treats. Look at these gemstones. I've never seen these. Did she foil these? Did you foil these yourself? These are so cute. Or am I just tripping? Can you just get these? These are cute. Those are really spooky colors. I'll be able to use those. And I've never seen this trim either. Maybe my Hobby Lobby just doesn't have that. Look at that. That's so cute. I want to see if it's like is it like elasticy? No, it's just trim. That's so pretty. Thank you so much, girly. I love it. Oh, I can't wait to use these. Actually, I still haven't mailed hers out yet, so maybe I'll get to use some of those on hers. I was late to the game. I didn't start my Halloween crafting until like September 14th, which I know because I stalked my own Instagram today, but I'm getting there. I'm just kind of getting back into the swing of crafting after taking the beginning of the year off. I love these candy corn bags, and she's got all this green trim, which I'm going to have to be super careful because I know Claude's going to try to eat it. These are the softest socks I've ever seen in my whole entire life. Oh, cute. So it's the witch. You guys, I wish you could feel these though because they're super soft. And I need to wear socks because Claude attacks my hands and feet all of the time. All of the time. Oh, look at these cute, spooky lip pops. Oh, that is hilarious. Artificial fruit flavor lollipop. Oh, that's too much. I'm gonna have to take that to work. And like put it in my, like, I don't know, prank some people with it. That's funny. I love this tool. Green with sparkles. I haven't got Happy Mail in a long time, obviously, because I haven't sent out Happy Mail because I took my little crafting hiatus, so it's very nice to open up some Happy Mail since probably all year, actually. But that's okay. I signed up for a small Christmas swap as well. And then I always swap with my friend Meekaboo32 here on Instagram. So I'll be doing at least two little Christmas swaps, and I might be open to one more Christmas swap as long as it's not super hurried. Oh my gosh, I've always seen these and I've never bought them I've always seen these, people have these, but I've never seen them to buy. So that is funny. So it's a syringe pen. Cute. And it has red ink. Oh, adorable. Okay, there's some other pens and pencils in here. Look at this one. I haven't seen these. Where are you getting all this stuff, girl? I haven't seen any of this stuff. So super cute. I want to see if it's green ink though, because no, it's black. That'll be super cute in my little Halloween tin. And a pencil. I actually love having a pencil because if I'm doing a sketch of something, how I might want it to come out, or a list or something that I'm going to change. I love having a pencil in my TN too. And it looks like she just put a whole bunch of goodies in here. Some little, look at these bones. Those are so cute. Where are you getting all this stuff? Okay. And a little snaky guy, which I love. Have lots of snake encounters in my yard this year, actually. And the cutest little, like, erasers cat, pumpkin, skeletons, eyeballs, and a cute little foam stickers. I don't have much eyes, so I'm kind of happy for these. I think I will be able to incorporate some of those in my Halloween projects. I'm definitely saving this ribbon because I'll reuse that and that. Always reuse. Oh, look at these, are so cute. They're eyeballs. Okay, so she has fused these, so I think I'm going to have to cut into these. Yeah, I hope I'm in frame because I'm not going to be able to with Claude in here. Oh yeah, I'm totally in frame. But yeah. Okay. Look at these eyeballs. These are the most unique and creative embellishments I have seen all Halloween. These are so creative. How cute is that? And I will be I'll try to save this little sequins because I don't have that much sequins for Halloween. But look at that. So it's the eyeball. So she's layered them very well. There's like two layers of like scalloped circles, and she's used foam to lift everything up. And I love this little creepy, I'm not sure what this is, little material, but it's amazing. It goes really well. And then little glittered eyeball paper, and I'm very curious, like, did you use white glitter paper and then red, like, glitter glue? That is genius. I love these. These are really cute, really creative, really original. Love that. And my card I will read later, off camera. Oh, tags. I love tags. I love having little tags in my planners and my TNs. Look at the little ghosty boo. What, she's using some crazy mixed media stuff. So these are actually wooden tags. I love it. So original. Now I want to like redo everything I'm doing and go like all mixed media in this really cute little purple organza bag. So cute. And then, okay, I have to get, I don't want Claude eating all this stuff, so I will clean that up. My little nosy boy. Oh, and this, oh, cute. Oh gosh, ow. He just jumped up on me and it hurt. It hurts. No, you can't. Oh my goodness. Okay. Until he starts eating paper, I'll let him stay up here just so I can finish this video. Now he's going to go wreck everything. Not on my maker. Get off my machine. Oh no. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. No, Claudia boy. That's not for you. Don't you have toys? Didn't I just buy you like $20 worth of toys, and I just ordered you some more toys on AliExpress? Okay, just bite my legs now. Great. Okay, I'll try to get through this quickly so I can put this, ouch, this little guy up. I love it. She's used one of the witch's hats. I love this little gold bowl. I wonder if that is a die. And a really cute holographic gems. I haven't seen those either. Little die cut pumpkins, super cute. And some tulle, just really nice layering. Just really, oh my gosh, is this really, okay, I'm stupid. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh, I mentioned, I was like, I don't have much sequins. Look at this, is a whole entire thing of sequins, and I've never had this much sequins in my life, and I'm so excited. And look how organized it is in these little like tic tac things. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, girly. I will definitely put these to good use. I love them. Here it comes again. Look at this little guy. Look at this face. Can you even see that face? Look at this little face. Do you look and say hi? Okay, I'll try to keep him occupied, but now I really want to just pull every single one of these out. You want to see? That's. No, the last thing I need is you eating one of these. Ow, ow. Please be nice to me, at least on camera. At least on camera. No. Okay, I'm really sorry about that. I'm sorry about the distraction of Claude. He is a hot mess. Flowers. So these aren't just Halloween. So this is a little bit of everything. Some purples. And I would really love to sit out here and like pull every single one out. But with him, look, there are tombstones in purple and like silver iridescent, some stars, some little just like iridescent ones. These are red. Okay, he's gone in the kitchen. These are tiny stars. I hope you're able to get these little tiny little stars, some white ones. Oh, you did not have to do this. This is so generous. Thank you so much. Oh, I like these because there are no holes. They're just like a little round, like a disc. I've never seen those. You have to dish. Where do you get all your stuff? There's a really big blue, like, I don't know, I would call it like a cobalty, like a kind of a metallic blue. Metally? Okay, let's just make words up now. Bats. I think I already pulled those out. Oh my gosh, these are kitties and witches. Love black cats. I've owned many in my lifetime. And some green, just regular sequins. These are cool. So these aren't, these are just like flat. They're not dimensional, I guess you could say. I really like those. You could use those for monster eyes or in shakers. I only did one shaker for Halloween and it was a labor of love. So I don't think I'll be making another one. Maybe for Christmas. Oh, I really like these. These are kind of like little gears. They're golden. And some iridescent stars and iridescent gold sequins. Here's some orange ones. I barely have any orange. Oh, these are flowers. I think I pulled those out already, but that's okay. I'm going to pull everything out. Now that Claude is tearing up the kitchen or something else instead. These say Boo, and they're orange. And these are just orange in some different sizes, some big and little ones. And I feel like, okay. Oh, pumpkins. Those are so cute. And spiders, they're red, like a reddish orange. And red of those little flat discs that just have one hole. They're not dimensional. I really like those. I like adding different like textures and stuff to the shakers. So I will definitely putting those to good use. And they are in their own little case. I love it. I am going to sign off here so I can get him out of here before he eats all this shred. I'm sure he would love to play with it, but I don't want him to eat all that stuff. He is kind of greedy with food, though. He will eat. Stop it. Be nice to me. He would eat anything if you let him. And right now he's eating my hand. Stop it, please. Okay, I'm going to sign off. I'm going to get this guy fed. And you guys have a great rest of the day. I'll see you in the next video. Sorry I just bumped the table. Haley, thank you so much. I love everything and I'm going to use it all. And I can't wait to send yours